Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G9 Plus and I'm gonna show you how to manage the camera watermark at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we tap on this button we can open the advanced camera settings. And now let's slide a little bit down to the capture settings. At the last position in this category we have the watermarks, so by tapping on this we get access to more options we can manage. And as you can see we can pick the timestamp watermark. By using this button we can easily turn it on and turn it off. So this is how it works. We have also the device watermark here, so the same thing happens when we tap on this button. And this is how it works. Also here we have the quick preview. So this is how the device watermark looks like here. So shot on Moto G9 Plus. And with the device watermark we have also connected the signature, so here we can add our own watermark. For example, let's tap on this and let me write here hard reset. And okay. And also here it appears in the second line, so in the preview. But remember that this signature is connected with the device, so you can't add signature without the device. You can only add the device without the signature, so this is important. And now let me turn it on all of these settings, and let's go back to the camera to take a picture to see how the watermarks looks like on the real one. Now let's go here to the right corner at the bottom. By tapping on this square we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our picture. The watermarks are here at the bottom. From the left we have shot on Moto G9 Plus watermark, so the device watermark with hard reset, so the custom watermark, and from the right we have the timestamp. And this is how it works. Of course, when we don't need this we go back to the settings in the right corner, slide again to the capture settings, picking watermark, and we can easily turn this off by tapping on this button. So for now this should be not visible when we take another picture. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.